Hello YouTubers, this is Leroy again, Ozark Riders. Today we are on, this is our second video. We're on Arizona Highway 179. Right now we're going between the towns of Village of Oak Creek and Sedona. And just happened to be the name of the highway that we're on is called the Red Reck Scenic Byway. And we just got lucky to run up on this one. John knew about this road, but I wasn't. I saw that it was a good road, but this was not one of our planned trips. But it actually worked out pretty good because this is really beautiful scenery and a very nice road up through there. I videotaped the whole thing, but I'm sort of trying to, cut these videos down to so many minutes. So I'm just sort of giving you a glimpse of what it looks like and really how beautiful it is. The video itself is probably only about 6 or 7 minutes, but it is some beautiful scenery. Roads were great. Temperatures were still pretty good at this time. We're actually getting ready to run up to Sedona, maybe West Sedona, I don't know, and grab a bite to eat. Right now, we're just looking at the beauty of the highway, the rocks. I mean, everything was red. Even going up through the town, seemed like everything in the towns were red. So, another beautiful road. Another really nice route to ride on because it even not being a weekend, it was really not much traffic at all, on our pretty well our whole trip, but definitely on this one. So all right, I'm gonna go ahead and get off this and just let you listen to a little bit of the Goldwing and the humming, and not hearing my loud pipes. Boy, it hums pretty good. But y'all, hey, listen, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye now.